There's a twist in the tale of festive buying this year. Gold has always been the traditional favorite in Indian homes. But this season, including the danteras buying, a shining challenger is stealing some of the spotlight, and that is silver. With gold prices soaring to record highs, silver is quietly but powerfully stepping up, both as an investment and a festive buy option. So, is silver becoming the new gold for many Indian buyers this season? Our special report breaks it down for you.
This year, Indians celebrating Dussehra, Dhanteras, Diwali and the wedding season are facing a dilemma. Gold is just too expensive. What should they buy? The yellow metal is at an all-time high, putting pressure on buyers, especially those shopping for festive gifts or wedding jewelry. Enter silver, the other top precious metal, now playing a much bigger role. Silver prices have also surged in India by around 80% this year, outpacing gold's nearly 60% rise. In Delhi and Ahmedabad, silver was trading at a record of around 1.4 lakh rupees or 10.4 million rupees per kilogram. Despite the record-breaking rally, silver is still far more affordable per unit, making it attractive to buyers who feel priced out of gold.
In the recent we can say about in the last 1 month, the demand for silver is really high. People have been shifting, but at the same time, those who are interested in gold, they are also buying gold also. Gold has its own charm, but you can say that yes, as we see in the social media also, the demand for silver is really high at this time.
There's more to silver's shine than just price. Long prized in homes and temples, silver has traditionally been the common man's gold. With the festive demand surging, the shortage is sure to hit traders significantly further. Shoppers aren't just buying jewelry, they're picking up silver coins, utensils, even investment-grade silver bars and ETFs.
People are moving towards silver, but more towards bullion. The demand for bullion and coins is more than vessels and jewelry. During the festivals, we expect people to buy idols, but consumers are buying coins as an investment.
And let's not forget, gold is gold. In India, gold remains the ultimate symbol of wealth, purity and tradition, especially for weddings and long-term savings. Silver may be hot right now, but it doesn't yet completely carry the same emotional or social value.
Those who want gold want only gold. Those who want silver will not go for gold, and those who want gold will not go for silver. That's because there's a lot of difference in the rates.
So, is silver the new gold? For many Indian consumers this festive season, yes, in some ways. It's cheaper compared to gold and is rising fast. But gold's emotional and cultural hold remains strong, and its status as a safe haven asset is still unmatched.
This festive season, silver is getting everyone's attention as a cheaper alternative to gold. With prices rising fast, more people are choosing silver for gifts and investments. But while silver shines right now, gold's special place in Indian tradition still holds strong. Well, from festive markets, this is Adhya Juneja for WION World is One.
Mr. Ajay Baga is a market expert. He's now joining us live from Mumbai. Welcome to the broadcast, Mr. Baga. It's good to see you. Do you expect the blistering rally in gold and silver to continue?
Yeah, in the short term, there might be some challenges. We saw on Friday night in the US market a small correction in gold and silver because they've done so well. It's been a parabolic rise over the last 12 months. So in the short term, there might be some correction, but on a 1 year, 2 year, 5 year basis, I would say they're going to go up, silver and gold both.
What is your take on this debate which pits gold against silver? Which precious metal is a better investment bet?
Right now, if you ask me, silver will go up more strongly than gold. It is very undersupplied, and 60% of the silver demand comes from industries. So from electric vehicle makers, battery makers, renewables, solar panels, the entire electronics industry. So there is a lot of demand for silver which is not getting fulfilled. And second is the investment demand for silver. So silver is in a catch-up mode to gold, and probably over the next 1 year, 2 years, silver will outperform gold. But as your jewelers were saying in the segment, gold has its own value and its own clientele, being 100 times more expensive than silver. So I would say the top-end clientele will stick to gold, but silver gives a good option that if you're trying to diversify your portfolio into precious metals, silver could be a good starting point.
Despite it being a good investment model, I'm talking about silver, what is your view on the shortage of physical silver?
Yeah, what has happened is silver for the last 5 years has been undersupplied versus the demand. And what happens in terms of trading of silver as well as gold, most of the trades are not backed by physical silver. So when people come in to demand physical silver, there is not that much supply. We have seen mints in Australia, refiners in Turkey, and even the biggest exchange in London run out of physical silver because people are asking for delivery of silver. And even in India, what we saw, as against, say, a spot price of 1,60,000, 1,50,000, there were times this week when if you had silver, physical silver to sell, you could sell it for as much as 2 lakh rupees in the Zaveri Bazaar at Bombay. So there's been a very sharp decline in the availability of physical silver. ETFs, when more money comes into ETFs, they have to create more units. To create more units, they need physical silver. Same way industries, they have to use physical silver. Third, the commodity exchanges. In every settlement, there is an option for buyers to ask for physical silver to be delivered. And that is lacking. So we actually are seeing cargo planes ferrying silver from the US into London, from Switzerland into London. The supply is very constrained, but the demand has gone very high. And there's a big arbitrage happening. There's a $3 to $5 that can be made per ounce on silver if you have physical silver. And that's what is being played in the markets.
Mr. Ajay Baga, as we end this conversation, and very quickly, so what is your outlook for Indian markets?
Indian markets should do well. We have underperformed last 13 months. So going ahead, we should see better markets. I think the next 12 months are going to be pretty good for the Indian markets.
All right, Mr. Ajay Baga, it's good to see you. Thank you very much for your insights and for talking to WION World is One today.
Thank you.